In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the drain hose on a brand new washing machine. So we got this base model GE washing machine for this property. And of course, when you get it, it does not come assembled. So if you look at the backside of your washing machine, in the bottom left, this is a clear white plastic port. This is where the drain motor is, and it's going to push all of that water and expel it out of the machine. You want it to connect to your hose right here, and then through the hose, the end is going to be put right here so that the water gets pushed down through your plumbing and out of your system in a safe, clean way. So this is how you're going to install it. The washing machine is going to come with this hose clamp right here, and these are pretty challenging to pinch. I haven't met many people that can pinch this with their hands, so you're gonna need some adjustable pliers or channel locks or something so that you can get it. Unfortunately, all I have right now are needle nose pliers, which are a pain to do, but it can be done, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that instead of drive 10 minutes to get the right tool. But basically what you need to do is open this up and put it on this rubber stem right here, and then push this over so that the hose clamp is clamping it onto right here. So this is the before. So step one, open it, put it on the rubber, and then push this on. When you put the hose on, you want to make sure that it's positioned in an upward manner to save some space. You don't want it to be facing this way if your drain is upward. So point it in the direction of where your drain is going to be. So this is the before. I'll show you the after here in a moment. Okay, you can see that I got it pinched. It's under a lot of tension right now, so I'm going to go ahead and feed it through on that. I need two hands though, but I wanted to show you what this looks like when you pinch it. Okay, and now you can see that I have the hose on the stem of that pipe, and then I have the hose clamp holding it on, and I have the hose pointed in an upward fashion. This is very secure and will not come off. The packaging also comes with this plastic component. This is a mounting, piece for the drain hose, and you'll see that it has 2 points that come out of it, and those are going to fit precisely in these 2 holes that are usually located above the drain. So what you do is you take the big end and feed it in like that, and then the smaller end, that plastic has a pinch point, and if you can push it far enough in, it'll snap in, and then it's locked in. And the purpose of this is just hose management. If you go ahead and feed the hose through, what it'll do is just kind of help keep the hose in place so that it doesn't get pulled out on accident, causing a large mess. Okay, so now that we have all that connected, then you simply just angle this towards your drain, tuck that down in, and that's how you correctly install a drain hose on the back of your washing machine. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.